a new global dashboard where you can enter your login details that you used to use for the 8Crypt wallet. So the same email, the same password. If you do so, you will receive an email, an automated email with your temporary password that you can change at any time, right? So you just use this password to log in, and you will get access to the dashboard that you see here. And this is just a test account that I'm using for education purposes. So this is how it will look if you log in. So, and the new referral link will have this format here. So you can see how it's built. Pretty easy. It's with your referral, with your nickname at the end. So, and now you wonder why it's just one link, because there is a left leg and a right leg. So in order to place your referrals in the right leg, you go to network and you go to binary tree, and here you can specify where your partners should be placed. Is it the left leg, is it the right leg, or is it the weak leg? So if you choose this option, the system will automatically place your partners on the weak leg, so which is pretty convenient, right? So before you can invest, you have to top up your account. You have to replenish your wallet, and there are two different wallets. One is the deposit wallet and one is the payout wallet. So like the name says, deposit is used to make investments, to make deposits, and the payout wallet is being used to receive commissions and receive earnings. Okay, let's try to deposit. So for now you have two options. You have a cryptocurrency, which is named Bitcoin here, and the bank deposit. So if you choose Bitcoin, you will be directed to the coin payment system, where you can choose your currency that you would like to use, and there are 5 different options. As you can see, it's Bitcoin, it's Litecoin, it's Bitcoin Cash, it's Dash, and it's Ethereum. So you just choose the option you would like to use. Let's say Bitcoin, and then you just say complete payment, and that will take you to the payment site where you can use the QR code to pay. Pretty easy. Once you have paid, once you have sent your bitcoins or your other crypto coins, it will say paid, and it will take you back to your Nexus dashboard. Yeah, so this is how to replenish your deposit, your wallet. And once this is done, you go to mining packages and click purchase. So the first thing you have to do before you can buy any mining packages, you have to fill out every cell. And by every cell, I mean every cell. If you don't fill out every field, you will get an error message. So all those fields are must fields, mandatory fields. You enter your first name, your last name, and here, by the way, you can change your password. So you just click reset password, right? And then you enter your new password here and here, and your current password here, and then you need a security token, which you can request by clicking on this little button here. Okay, so here you have to enter your Bitcoin wallet. So this withdrawal account ID, this is your Bitcoin wallet, and here you need a security token again, and you can request that security token by clicking on this little button here. So once you have entered all your data, you will see all the different options you have. So this will look like that. So this is my real account now. So here you will see all the different packages that you can buy. So if you click on purchase, it will give you two options. You can use your deposit wallet, or you can use your payout wallet to buy the package. And then once you have purchased that package, you go to your packages, and there you will see the package you have purchased. So that's pretty much it for the moment. That will help you to get